Hey everyone, welcome back. The brand new MipMap 3.0.2 is officially live. Today, we're going to dive right in and take a look at the major updates and improvements waiting for you in this release. First up, we've added native support for the Antigravity A1 panoramic drone. Whether you're generating standard 3D models or Gaussian splats, the data import and processing workflow for the A1 is now incredibly simple and clear. Next, let's talk about Gaussian splatting. We've heavily optimized the overall visual quality in this update. Your 3D GS outputs are now noticeably sharper. Fine details like text on signs or walls are preserved much better. And those annoying black artifacts in your scenes have been significantly reduced. For those of you doing indoor reconstruction, you are going to love this. We've made major strides in eliminating those distracting, floating artifacts that sometimes appear when viewing a model from different angles. When shooting indoors, you often have to deal with dramatic shifts in environmental lighting and camera exposure. MipMap 3.0.2 now handles these lighting variations much more robustly, giving you incredibly clean, clear, and accurate indoor scenes. Speaking of ground level and panoramic shooting, we know how frustrating it is when the photographer or bystanders end up in the shot. It's highly detrimental to the generation of a clean Gaussian splat scene. To fix this, we've introduced a brand new person removal option. Just toggle it on, and MipMap will automatically process and remove people from your final scene-making panoramic ground capture easier than ever. Moving on to a massive workflow boost for our LiDAR users, we have completely removed the trajectory line input requirement for LiDAR reconstruction. Whether you are building traditional photogrammetry models or generating Gaussian splats, your data import process just got drastically simpler and more streamlined. Setting up the right coordinate system is absolutely essential when applying your photogrammetry results to real-world production. To give you more flexibility, version 3.0.2 now officially supports setting your elevation coordinate systems using both standard feet and US survey feet. On top of these major features, we've packed in several other great improvements to streamline your daily work. Here's a quick rundown of the rest of the update. Volume difference calculations have been corrected and are now calculated as cut minus fill. You can now generate compressed SOG Gaussian results, which significantly reduces your output file sizes. We've added the ability to import multiple video segments directly. We've optimized decimal precision displays for your annotations, fixed an OSGB blurry display hierarchy issue, and you can now display your local coordinate system position directly on the map. And finally, we've squashed a couple of rare bugs to improve stability, including a failure that could happen at 80 to 90% progress and an issue with rule-based tiling. And that covers the highlights of MipMap 3.0.2. You can download the new version right now. Drop a comment below and let me know what new features you want to see in future updates. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and updates. See you in the next video.